Hello and welcome to the dashboard tutorial video. The dashboard is the home of all your KPIs and the place where you can share the insights with your colleagues or clients. All over, you can imagine the dashboard as an interactive PowerPoint. PowerPoint in the sense it can adapt to any visual appearance you'd like, and interactive in the sense that you could see it as a template, that you ask a question and it returns the answer right away without needing to go to the analyzer. If you wish to change the layout or styling of the charts that you've saved here, start by enabling the edit mode of your dashboard. In this mode, you can place and size every chart completely freely on your dashboard and also use the dashboard designer on the right-hand side to change colours, titles, labels, and the general appearance of all charts and items on your dashboard. Using the dashboard toolbar at the top, you can add new style elements such as charts, texts, images and icons at any time. In this toolbar, you'll also find the Add Filter function. Dashboard filters are a great way to add interactivity to your dashboard and allow the people that you share your dashboard with to independently create views that will answer their specific questions. There are multiple ways on how to add filters to your dashboard. You may use the Global Filter panel on the right-hand side. Here you can add any kind of value that is represented in your data source to filter your dashboard by, such as time, country, channel, department, product, client, and so on. Are you sitting in a meeting and getting a question about how the last year was? Just click a button and you get the results. These filters may also be placed directly onto the dashboard to achieve a more integrated look. Or they can be activated through the charts on your dashboard. Once this interactive function is enabled, just click on a chart and it will add a temporary filter that will filter the entire dashboard by this particular parameter. You may also raise the level of interactivity on your dashboard by adding functions to further dive into your data. This can be done by using drill downs or drill throughs, by adding additional views to your charts, adding links to other tabs, dashboards or websites with more information, or by using the zoom function to zoom into timescales. Once your dashboard is all done, you may share it with your colleagues and clients. Just click Share, select the user type and the user rights, and spread the insights across your company.